How to add filters to WhatsApp camera. First, open the WhatsApp app. At the top right corner, tap on the camera icon. Now tap on the magic editing icon here. You can see all the available filters. Explore them by swiping left and right. Select a filter you like and capture a photo. Now you can edit this photo here. When you are done, tap on the green tick button at the bottom. You can publish this photo to your status, or you can send this to any chat. Select the chat and tap on the green arrow button at the bottom. And that's it. This is how you can add filters to WhatsApp camera.